प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तरस्नान वेदांत श्रवण गोस्वामी महाराज and simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dhanavad Pranam and lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Srila Bhakti Vibhav Puri Goswami Maharaj Bhakti Vigan Bharati Goswami Maharaj and Prabhu Chichar and Sripad Bhakti Vichar Vishnu Maharaj. So yesterday we also very nicely celebrate Jiva Goswami Pad's Tirobhav Tithi and disappearance day. Morning also, yesterday morning also discussed what is the meaning of Tirobhav and Avirbhav, appearance and disappearance. And that is called, one is called meeting, another is called separation. And Ishwarer tithi jimata pavitra, seimata Vaishnaver tithi pavitra. Our Shastra explain, Lord, He appears in this material world, this very auspiciousness. Because Lord Bhagavan, He appears in this material world, following all the rules and regulations of the society. So Lord, He comes in this material world also, killed the demon and also re-established Varnashram Dharma. So Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to you. So in this way, Lord, He comes from Golok Vrindavan. Srimad Bhagavatam also explains, Anugrahaya Bhaktanam Manusang Dehamasitam Bhajate Tadra Kira Jasutva Tatparo Bhavit. And Lord is very merciful. He descended from Golok Vrindavan with His own associates, Parikar, and also His own Dham. Paritra Anugraha Bhaktanam. And He also performs sweet Leela in this material world. Not only killing the demon, He also performs sweet Leela. As like Krishna, He descended from Golok Vrindavan with His own Parikar in this material world and performs sweet Leela, Braj Leela. Especially, so for this regard, Lord's appearance in this material is very sweet. And Lord also departed from this material world. Because when His Leela finished, then He departed from sweet Leela as like a sadhaka. So there are the two forms. One is called sadhak and is called siddha. Seva sadhako rupena, siddha rupena chatrahi, tad bhava lipsana braja loka anusarata. So those who are Nitya Parikar, eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, they perform two Leela, Sadhak group and Siddha group. Sadhak group, sadhak understand, practicing, and showing to us how to perform bhajan and sadhak. So the sadhaka group, Sankha Purvaka Nam, and our 6 Goswamis, they were staying in Vrindavan and perform sweet Leela also there, as like sadhak. They perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan. Though they are eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, the Manjaris of Srimati Radhika, but acting the role of as like a sadhaka. Or Siddha Rupa, in their Siddha Rupa, they also remembering sweet pastimes of Krishna, servicing. So saying sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena chatrahe, tadbhava lipsana braja loka anusarat. So now coming this in Jiva Goswami Pad, actual is eternal associate of Srimati Radhika, that is called Srimati Radhika's which Manjari? Vilas Manjari. But acting the role as like a sadhaka. As like Gurudev, and which Manjari? Raman Manjari. But he is acting the role as like and sadhak, that is called and Gaur Narayan Dasadhikari. And this thing also. And he is also brahmachari life, then he is high school life, Then he took sannyas, and he preaching all over the world. And he wrote many granthas also. First understand Gurudev, how he is preaching, doing these leelas. So Gurudev also took his activity on his sadha group and his siddha group. Siddha group, who will understand? One who comes in the stage of bhava and prem dasha. They will understand. Just to listen, he is Raman Manjari, but you have no realization, nothing. Understand this? But when you come in the stage of bhav and prem dasha, then you realize about him. This is the process of. So he is translating. समझ में नहीं आता है, क्या करें? Okay. But that the Prabhu, he was very nice translator. What is his name? Jai Govinda Prabhu.
I told him, Prabhu, you have to come.
Jai Govinda is very nice translator. Yesterday he translated very nice. So now coming in this way, so Jiva Goswami Pad Katha will explain. Jiva Goswami Pad, he was staying in Ramkali Gaon. Rup Goswami Pad, Sanatan Goswami Pad, and his brother Anupam or Vallabh. Three brothers, they are staying together and perform bhajan and sadhana. But Rup Sanatan, they worship depend on Radha and Krishna. Or Anupam, the father of Jiva Goswami Pad, he worshipped Sitaram. One day Sanatan Goswami Pad told, why you are worshipping Sitaram? You worship Krishna, Radha Krishna. Because Shastra is saying, though there are no difference between Krishna, Ram, Hari, Lord is one. Eko, Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu api Sri Krishna Sarupaya. But Rasanot Krishnate Rasameva Vastiti. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Krishna, Ram, Krishna, Hari, Narayan. Because Lord is one. Ekameva Paramatattam Sabhika Chinta Sakta. Only one absolute truth, that is called Bhagavan. But he has three aspects: Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. Brahma, that is called his effulgence, Jyoti. Jyotirmayo Brahma. So, Gyanis, according to the knowledge they are thinking, he is Brahma. Effulgence. Actually, the effulgence coming from the body of Krishna. Jatirabhantari Divuja Muralidhara Sama Sundara. A Paramatma super soul who resides in the heart of all the living entities. Paramatma. Paramatma resides in the heart or not? What are the duties of Paramatma, super soul?
All my
Okay, you are nice. Sakshi Oyam. And he is called the witness. What you are doing in this? What you are doing is looking, watching. And good karma, bad karma, what you are doing? Watching. This is a duty. Paramatma's duty. So yogis, according to the Yoga Darshan, they are thinking he is Paramatma, super soul, who resides in the heart of all the living entities, as like thumb, Angushti Pramanavat. He's saying. Those who are devotee of Lord, they are thinking he is Bhagavan. Vaishajya Samagra Sabirja Jasa Sri Gyana Vairagya Chaiva Sana Bhav Itingana. Bhagavan, very nice, beautiful is form He is called omniscient and omnipotent, almighty. This is Bhagavan. Especially he has six and quality, opulence. Oisharja, Virja, Jasa, Sri, Gyan and Vairag. So those who are saying he is effulgent, also is it true according to their eligibility, adhikar. And those who are saying he is Paramatma, also this is true. But what is the absolute truth? He is Bhagavan, very nice, beautiful form. You have form or not? You have form. Your form is coming from your parents. Your parents' form is coming from his parents that coming. So who is actual? All our forms is coming from God. God created man after his own image. So that means God has beautiful form. God has form or not? So now he is saying, Srimad Bhagavat also giving this example. Saying the Badan tattva vidas tattva jaj ganamadyam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti sabdate. And who is Lord Bhagavan? He has three aspects: Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. So now coming in this way. What is it? Jiva Goswami path. And Jiva Goswami's father. What is his name? Anupam. His mind completely absorbed with Ramchandra. Sanatana Goswami path told. Though Lord is one, but Krishna has 64 qualities. How many? Ramchandra how many? 62 and half. Sorry, Basad. Understand this thing. So you have to worship and Krishna. But Anupam, he told, no, I completely surrender to lotus feet of Ramachandra. Ramachandra bechiya chumatha. That means I completely sold out my head, lotus feet of Ramachandra. Look this. Actually, why I am saying these things? Jiva has one potential you have that will never change. This is the proof with that. Many people are saying, hey, according to your sadhu sangha, you will attain this highest mood. This is not true. Anupam is Ram Bhakta or not? So why did not he change? Now this he gave, first he gave mantra to Dhruva Maharaj. Gave mantra or not? What mantra he gave? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Nadrisi also gave us to, but they did not change. Dhruva Maharaj is not Manjari on anything. Prahlad Maharaj also he is not. He classified the 5 types of devotees of Lord. Gyani Bhakta, Prahlad Maharaj, Suddha Bhakta, Ambarish Maharaj, Premi Bhakta, Hanuman, Prempar Bhakta, Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakul, Sahadeva and Draupadi. He gave association to all the devotees. But according to their potential, they also worship their Thakur, Ishtadeva. Understand this? There are many examples in our Shastra. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Murari Gupta, hey Murari, you worship Radha and Krishna. Jiva Goswami's father is the devotee of Lord Ramachandra. But Jiva Goswami path is the devotee of Radha and Krishna. Look this. Father is Ram Bhakta. Or son, the devotee of Madhurya Rasa. Understand? This is that. So now the Jiva Goswami Pad, and he also met with Nityananda Prabhu in Navadvip Dham, and he learned all these things because when his father Anupam left body, then Jiva Goswami Pad, he came in Navadvip Dham and he was staying with Nityananda Prabhu. Yesterday I told, and he also did Navadvip Dham Parikrama. You read Navadvip Dham Parikrama book. You have or not? Huh? No? Okay, you can collect. Go to internet, everything is there. Navadvip Dham Parikrama. Eh? So they are now coming in this way. Srila Jiva with Nityananda Prabhu. Eh? And Nityananda Prabhu, he glorified Navadvip Dham and also the magnanimity of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Eh? As yesterday I told, Gaur Dham and Gaur Naam, how is very powerful. Eh? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of munificence and magnanimity. In the same way, Gaur Dham and also Navadvip Dham. That's a very nice, beautiful place. Just to take sleep, lay down on the ground, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying he is doing Dandavat Pranam. And paying, not do anything. Good or not? Take prasad and sleep. A good place. And many sadhu rishis, they also perform bhajan and sadhu in Navadvip Dham. And there was one Brahmana, his name, what is called? What is Vipra? Vasudeva Vipra. He worshipped and in Navadvip Dham. Then that is called Koladip. Kol means is what? And that is called Barahadev. A very nice, beautiful form. Then Lord Barahadev manifest and also show the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He gave mercy to him. For this regard, that place is called Koladip. They came in Navadvip Dham. Now manifested very nice, beautifully, Gaura Rup, and so to him. Then Brahmaji again and again bow down his forehead, lotus feet of Krishna. Oh, I committed offense to your lotus feet. Then how can I serve your lotus feet? Okay, I will appear in this Kali Yuga and help your preaching Nam Sankirtan. But Brahmaji, very humble, he told, Hey Prabhu, and I will appear in the low caste family. Which family? Very sweet. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him title Haridas. What is his name? Namacharya. He is the Acharya of Harinam. Every day he chanted 3 lakhs holy names. How many? 3 lakhs. 300,000. He chanted holy names. And 1 lakh holy names he chanted loudly. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. That's called Upangsu Jap. Or 1 lakh he chanted in his mind like a Manas Jap. This guy. Understand? So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him Nama Acharya, Namacharya Haridas Thakur. Though he was born in Muslim family. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified about him. That means Nam Mahatma, especially in this Kali Yuga, there are no any other process to attain to Lord. Kali Yuga Nam Bina Nahi Ar Dharma Sarva Shastre is Har Marma. The essence of all the scriptures, Ved, Puran, Upanishad, only randomly chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Eh? All the holy rivers. Eh? Look this. Eh? So the oh, but the Sopacha Dogarian, even the dog eater, they chant holy names. He is the higher than some Vedi Brahmanas. Saying, oh, but the Sopacha Dogarian, Jad Jihagri Bhatate Nama Tupna. Eh? How is powerful the holy names? Eh? All your purity, impurity automatically were destroyed. Eh? Just to wake up early in the morning, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Sattva Yuga's dhyana, Treta Yuga's fire sacrifice, or Dapar Yuga's worship Thakurji. All these fruits follow. You just chanting holy names. Look at this. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. So I also explained Brahmaji, he committed offense, lotus feet of Krishna. Krishna or means Shivji. So much intimacy. Look at this. Harihar Ketrayamga. Shivji always is glorified about Gaur Sundar. Gaura, Gaura, Gaura. Very nice, beautiful place. If you go, the place of Shivji and Krishna. Harihar Ketra is there. Shivji, all offenses of this. Very nice katha is there. So I also explained this. And Indra, he also committed offense to lotus feet of Brajavasis, Krishna and Brajavasis. For this regard, Krishna, he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. Then when Indra realized, oh, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead and Bhagavan. Then they stood, he also recited many stop stuti, and he worshipped to Krishna. And he gave Krishna's name, that is called Govinda. But Indra is thinking, oh, I committed offense to lotus feet of Krishna and Brajavasis. How will free from all these offense? Then Indra, he came in Navadvip Dham. That place is called Godrum Deep. That is called Godrum Deep. And say Godrum. Go means cow. Drum means trees. Then when Indra, he came that place and he performed bhajan and sadhan under Darda tree. For the Godrum Deep. Godruma, Godrum. Godrume Nityananda Mahajan Pati Ache Nam Hot Jivera Karan Shraddhavan Jana He Shraddhavan Jana Godrume Nityananda Mahajan. And if you go Godrum Deep, a very nice beautiful place. And on the bank of the they committed offense, lotus feet of Krishna in Braj. But they come in here. Then all their offense automatically disappears. Completely surrender. Sachinandan Gaur Hari. What is your name? Go means Govind. Ara means Radha. Now go. That means you worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gora means you worship different Radha and Krishna. Understand? Manare Kahana Gaura Katha Amar Gaure Naam Ami Aradham Jivane Gaura Marane Gaura Gaura Jivane Gaura Marane Gaura Gaura Galaro Har. All you chant Gaura 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 Gaur Sundar. Understand? What do you chant? Gaura Gaura, bolo Gaura 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 Rakshamam Gaura 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 Pandar. He instructed to everybody. Nam Dharma, Kali Yuga Dharma, that is called Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Kali Santan Upanishad explained this. Kali Yuga instructed all his followers হ্যাঁ, আমা প্রতি স্নেহ যদি থাকে সবাকার, ইহা বই না বলিবে ম্যাগনিফিসেন্ট। হ্যাঁ, so why will chant Hare Krishna? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and give you order. What is order? Everybody chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. And you follow the instruction of your husband higher than your husband. Husband is saying, what is saying? Chant Krishna Nam. And husband means that who protects to us, who maintains to us. And understand, general people are husband means and you married with that the person his husband. But husband means Krishna. Nath Swami Nanapataga Balo Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Oh Jagannath Swami Nanapatagami, Jagannath Swami. Baba tume, Baba tume. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Jagannath also. He is not different from Jagannath. In Jagannath Puri, he manifests in the form of Jagannath. Understand? Same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he manifests in form of Jagannath in Mayapur. What is it called? No, what is it called? Jagannath Puri. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is non-different from Jagannath. Arshadi. So now Jagannath Swami. So for this guy saying Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavotu me. Yadi Jagannath Swami. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is giving order. What is order? Everybody chant Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Now in 9 o'clock. So we have to go. Balo Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Balo Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori, Jai Sachinandana. He Nityananda Prana Dhana Nadiya Bihari. Hey, Jai Sachinandana, Jai Gaura Hori. Hello, Gaura, 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 Raksamam. Gaura, 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 Padimam. Hello, Bhaja, Gauranga, Japa, Gauranga. Maha Gaurangera Name. Hello, Gaura, 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 Rakshama. Gaura, 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 Paima. Hello, Nitai Gauranga, Jaya, Nitai Gauranga, Nitai Gauranga. Oh, Nitai Gauranga, Jaya, Nitai Gauranga. Hey, Nitai, 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 Rakshama. Nitai, 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 Bhaginam. Hello, Krishna, 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 Hello, Krishna, 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 Hare Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Lakshmanam, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava. Oh, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Paimam. Hey, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama. Hare Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava, Bhai Maam. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama. Hare Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Okay, now we take prasad. Now we are also going to place another. We're coming. Eh? Then we have come back about 2 o'clock, no problem. Eh? It will be arranged. Eh? Then again Harikatha. Eh? Understand? 3 days will be here. So 3 days you have to listen Harikatha. Eh? Good or not? Morning, midday and evening. 3 times Harikatha listen. Huh? Good or not? Now your Christmas coming, eh? So I think everything you are close. Huh? Understand? 3 days, holidays. Huh?